No, Billy.
Cindy, let go. Don't fight it.
Hindi tama.
I don't find anything wrong with it.
Trixie's my friend. Masasaktan natin siya.
Eh, hindi naman natin sinasadya eh.
Kahit na.
I feel so much for you, Cindy. Is that so hard for you to understand?
Billy, parang kapatid lang kita.
Cindy, yan din ang trato ko sa'yo noon. Hindi na ngayon. I know we both feel differently.
No, Billy. We're too familiar.